Manufacturing industries. Industries can be classified into several groups based on raw materials, size, and ownership. On the basis of raw materials, industries can be classified into agro-industries, mineral-based industries, pastoral industries, marine-based industries, and forest-based industries. Agro-industries such as cotton textiles, jute textiles, silk textiles, vegetable oil, sugar, and food processing obtain raw materials from plants and animals. Mineral-based industries such as the iron and steel industry, aluminum industry, and cement industry obtain raw materials from rocks and minerals. Based on size, industries can be classified into cottage industries, small-scale industries, and large-scale industries. Cottage industries are mainly found in rural areas and utilize local raw materials. And basic tools and equipment. Goods such as ropes, baskets, handloom cloth, and leather items are their common products. Small-scale industries use electricity-driven machines. Raw materials are obtained from outside and goods are sold through traders. They employ a small number of laborers and produce cloth, toys, furniture, electrical goods, utensils, and leather goods, and so on. Large-scale industries use heavy electricity-driven machines, have huge capital investment, thousands of laborers, and a complex management system. Iron and steel mills, textile mills, transport equipment, and petrochemicals are examples of large-scale industries. On the basis of ownership, industries can be classified into private sector, public sector, joint sector, cooperative sector, and multinational corporation. Private industries are owned and managed by an individual or a group. Reliance Industries, Tata Steel, Hindustan Motors are examples of private sector industries. Public sector industries are owned and managed by the central or state governments or their agencies. Bhilai Steel and Bharat Heavy Electricals are examples of public sector industries.